Want to make passive income directly from your phone? No tech skills, no website building, and no coding. Let me show you how Cellphone Cash works. Cellphone Cash is a done-for-you system that creates an automated website you can run from your phone. It handles traffic, sales, and conversions, so you can focus on earning. It's designed for beginners and setup takes under 30 minutes. Here's how it works. Tap a few buttons to activate your site, follow the simple training included, and let the system drive traffic to generate income while you do your own thing. Real users are earning daily commissions, and the platform keeps improving based on users' feedback. Yes, people are making real money, but a quick heads up, only buy from the official link. It's below. It's automated, but you still need to follow basic steps. Stay consistent, it's not get rich overnight magic. If you're ready to start earning from your phone, click the link below to try Cellphone Cash. This would be your first step to real passive income without needing a laptop or tech skills.